Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tomato plants. We'll show you when and how to plant them, how to water them, a simple trick we use once a year to boost their growth, how to prune them correctly, and how to build a solid support system. If you love gardening or want to grow healthy tomatoes at home, stay until the end. This guide is packed with useful tips. We begin with sowing. In our case, we germinate the seeds in a greenhouse. It gives the young plants a warm, protected space to grow strong. Once the seedlings are around 10 to 15 centimeters tall and the risk of frost is gone, we transplant them outside. In Spain, this usually happens in April. If you're in the Southern Hemisphere, that would be around November. The key is to wait until nighttime temperatures stay consistently above 10 degrees Celsius. If you plant too early, you risk losing your crop. Spacing is essential. Tomato plants need room to grow, so we leave about 45 centimeters between each plant. You can measure this using a cane or a simple tube cut to size. We dig a hole, pour in water, and then place the seedling in. This ensures that the roots find moisture right from the beginning. Then we cover the hole with soil and move on to the next one. After planting a full row, we always double-check spacing both forward and sideways to give each plant enough space for airflow and sunlight. Now, let's talk about staking. Supporting your tomato plants is crucial, especially as they start producing fruit. We use bamboo canes, placing them in a crisscross pattern. This not only helps the plants grow upright but also creates a strong framework that can handle wind and weight. Once all canes are in place, we tie them together at the top with a horizontal bamboo pole. For each crossing, we wrap the string once around one cane, then around the other, and finish with a firm knot. This helps keep the entire structure steady. For extra stability, we place a horizontal cane across the sides to prevent any side movement. It acts as a brace for the structure, ensuring your plants don't lean or fall over. Now that the plants are well supported, we move on to pruning. Pruning tomato plants is one of the most effective ways to improve their health and yield. When you see the first flower cluster, keep the branch right below it and remove all the suckers and shoots beneath it. These small side shoots take nutrients away from the fruit and make the plant bushier, which can lead to poor airflow and more disease. By removing unnecessary branches, the plant focuses its energy on producing quality tomatoes and growing upward rather than outward. It also increases sunlight penetration and airflow, which helps prevent fungal infections. Next, we tie the plants gently to their individual stakes. We take a soft string, wrap it around the cane, then pass it behind the tomato stem, and tie a loose bough. This way, the plant stays supported without being squeezed. The bow tie method also allows you to easily untie and reuse the string next season. And now, here's the bonus tip we promised at the beginning of the video. Once a year, just once, we use iron chelate as a supplement. It helps prevent iron deficiency and boosts flowering. We dissolve 1 sachet in a large bucket of water, and after watering the soil first, we pour about 1 to 2 scoops per row of tomato plants. Then we continue watering with a hose to help the nutrients spread evenly through the soil. It's important to stress this, we do this only once a year, right when the plants begin to flower. Using it too often can be harmful. The goal is to give them a helpful push, not to overfeed. And that's it. You've now seen our complete tomato planting process. From sowing to staking, pruning, and feeding. As you can see, our tomato plants are already flowering, and with these steps, yours can be just as healthy and productive. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. We'll see you in the next one.